Hey there, Jamie Smith. Just want to share quick instructions on how to install the script to add the little terms and conditions checkbox to the bottom of your button on an order form. And so I am inside of the ClickFunnels editor here, and I'm going to click on the button, and we'll take a quick look at the button and its settings. And what we've got is the subtext is what's going to populate this. I understand I will be charged after 30 days if I do not cancel. You can modify that to be whatever text you want it to be. I agree, with the terms and conditions. Could be what you want it to say instead. We can save that. And then to get the checkbox to actually pop up and to populate and be checked when someone clicks the button, we're going to go into the Settings tab. And this is the settings for the entire page. And we're going to go to the Tracking Codes section. And you can see I've already got the code inserted here. But what I want to do, you're going to start out without that code, of course. So I'm going to go into my code editor here. And I'm just going to copy this script. I'm going to copy everything in there. Nothing should need to be changed. I'm just going to copy the entire script. I'm going to paste that script into here. Just make sure that that's, if you've got other tracking scripts in there, you can insert it below the other tracking scripts or ahead. This is going to insert this custom tracking into the footer. So this is the one I recommend using. And then we're going to click Save. And what that's going to do is that's going to go through and it's going to find any buttons on the page that use the submit form action and apply a checkbox to that button that when that button gets clicked, it will check the box and it will replace this order and get instant access text will be replaced with submitting. That's out of the box functionality with ClickFunnels, is to replace all of the button text with the submitting. I've kind of overridden that a little bit, so you still see the checkbox, you'll still see the what's being agreed to with the checkbox, but it replaces this heading for the button. The button text will get replaced with the submitting text. So let's take a quick look at that. So we've saved that. We're going to go into a preview. And it's going to pop this up, and you might see a little bit of a flash without the checkbox. It's again as the page loads. Once the page is ready, then the checkbox will get added. So we added the checkbox there, and we'll notice if we click the button, then it will say submitting, and it will check the box, and that will stay there. Now, of course, it's going to decline because I didn't populate any credit card information, but you'll see it'll bounce right back to the page. We again get our checkbox. And that's the way the process works. So it's pretty simple. Again, I'll just step through. We've got a button. We can update the subtext of the button to be, that's where the checkbox is going to be populated. So we'll want to put our appropriate text in there. And then we're going to go into the settings for the page. We're going to go into tracking codes, and we're going to paste our the script into the footer custom tracking area. And just make sure that if you've already got other scripts in there that you paste this in below the other scripts or above the other scripts. Don't overwrite your existing scripts or it could break something. So that's how that works. Hopefully it's helpful, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks.